Two vehicles are approaching at right angles. A from west, and B from south. So A, south, east and west. A is traveling from west. Let its initial velocity be UA, and B is traveling from south. A from west, B from south. B is traveling from south. Let its initial velocity be UB, and weight of B is given as 6 tons. Weight of B is 6 tons, and weight of A is 75% of B, so 0.75 into 6, which is 4.5 tons. Vehicle A skids in the direction 50 degrees north of west. So vehicle A skids in this direction 50 degrees from west. Initially skid distance of vehicle A is 35 meters and vehicle B is 20 meters. After skid the distance is 15 meters for A. Let its final velocity be VA dash, and before hitting let its final velocity be VA. Before hitting, final velocity of B be VB, and after hitting we traveled 60 degrees east of north. So let this be the direction, and 60 degrees east of north, and its final velocity be VB dash, and its distance is 36 meters. Given F is 0.55. After hitting, A skid a distance of 15 meters, which is VA dash whole square by 2G F. On substituting everything, we get VA dash to be 15 into 2 into 9.81 into 0.55. So VA dash is 12.72 meter per second. Similarly, B skid for a distance of 36 meters after hitting. So its final velocity after skidding into 9.81 into 0.55, we get its final velocity to be 19.71 meter per second. Applying momentum equation, momentum is mass into velocity of A initially into mass of B, weight of B into velocity of B equal to final weight into final velocity plus final weight into final velocity of B. Weight of A is 4.5 tons, velocity is VA, we don't know that. Weight of B is 6 and velocity is VB. Weight doesn't change, so WA is 4.5 into VA dash is 12.72 plus WB is 6 into VB dash is 19.71, from which we get 4.7 VA plus 6 VB is equal to 175.5. Now equating momentum along the vertical direction, so mass of A into its velocity component, that is VA dash into sine 50 plus weight of B into VB dash into its component is cos 60, which is equal to WB into before hitting velocity of B. We know WA is 4.5, VA dash is 12.72 into sine 50 plus 6 into 19.71 into cos 60 is equal to 16 to VB. VB is obtained as 17.163 meter per second. On substituting in this equation we obtained above, which is 4.5 VA plus 6 VB equal to 175.5. And substituting VB value here, we can obtain VA value, which is 175.5 minus 6 times of VB is 17.163 by 4.5, it is 16.12 meter per second. Now we got the final velocities before hitting. We know that V square minus U square equal to 2AS. Here it is deceleration. So we put a negative sign. We know that VA dash is 16.12 square minus UA square equal to 2 into this deceleration minus A, we know it is F into G, the negative sign since deceleration, so 0.55 into 9181 into, given that the distance traveled by A before hitting is 35, so from which UA is obtained as 25.25 meter per second in kmph 90.9 kmph. So initial velocity of A is 90.9 kmph. Similarly, VB square minus UB square equal to 2A distance traveled by B. This is 17.163 square minus initial velocity of B square equal to 2 into minus 0.55 into 9.81 into 20. So initial velocity of B is 22.6 meter per second, which is 81.33 kmph.